In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change your TikTok bio. So once you load up TikTok, you will be on your home screen. Then to go to your profile, you just tap on the me icon at the bottom right. And you can see my TikTok bio here. It says follow on YouTube and things like that. Now to go ahead and change this, I just need to tap on edit profile. And there where it says bio, you just simply tap on where it says bio. And then you can go ahead and change your bio. So if I want to change it to, let me just say goal 10K. I've just now edited my bio, so all I would need to do is tap on the save button at the top right, and it's going to load and then save the bio. I can go back and see if it changed, and now the update has been changed. So that is how you can change your TikTok bio in 2021. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.